How to set Siri only for my voice. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the Siri option you see there. Further, tap on the talk to Siri option you see there and then go ahead and tap on the off option. Once you have disabled Siri, go ahead and tap on the Talk to Siri option again and then tap on Hey Siri or Hey Siri option you see there, and you will be required to set up Siri all over again. So tap on the Continue button you see there and then go ahead and simply read out loud the commands shown on the screen. You might be required to read 5 commands. With this, Siri will recognize your voice and will listen only to you whenever you say Siri or Hey Siri. So, this was about how you can set Siri only for your voice. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.